If you've lost access to your WhatsApp account and don't have access to your email, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you gain access to your account without needing your email. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Verify your phone number. On the welcome screen, enter the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Make sure to select the correct country code before proceeding. Step 3. Receive verification code. After entering your phone number, tap on the next button. WhatsApp will send a verification code via SMS to the phone number you provided. Wait for the SMS to arrive. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the SMS, enter the verification code in the app. This step confirms that you have access to the phone number linked to your account. Step 5. Restore your chat history. If prompted, you can restore your chat history from a backup if you have one saved. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the restoration process. After completing these steps, you should have access to your WhatsApp account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.